Hi, hello, namaste everyone. I am Koti Nageswar Bandaru here. Today I'm going to share with you all that how to download Microsoft Small Basic Application software and how to install Microsoft Small Basic Application in our computer. So let us start. So first you need to open the web browser. So here I'm having Google Chrome web browser that I have opened. If you have any other browser, you can use that browser. So then go to the URL, type in the URL small basic software free download for PC and click enter. Then you can see a list of websites links are open here. You can see the first one, smallbasic.com. You can click on that link to go to the Microsoft Small Basic website homepage. You can see the right side, download Small Basic and start coding online. If you want to do coding online, you can go with this option. If you want to download the software and install in your computer, you can go with this option. So if you choose this option, you are able to install the software in your computer and you can do the coding without internet. So we'll go with this option. Click on download small basic. Then you can see at the bottom left side, the small basic application is is got downloaded. So click on the drop down button to see that software. So now you can see small basic version 1.2, the software got downloaded. If you want to install, just double click on that icon. Now you can see a dialog box got opened. Click on next and accept the terms and conditions and click next, next and click install. Now you can see the installation process is going on. After some time, this software is going to be installed in your computer so that you are able to do the programming in Microsoft Small Basic Application. Yes, now you can see Microsoft Small Basic Application got installed. Click Finish. Then how do you know whether Microsoft Small Basic Application got installed or not? So you can see on search box, you just type Small Basic. Automatically, it shows that Microsoft Small Basic option in the list. So you can click on it to open Microsoft Small Basic Application. Yes, now you see the Small Basic Application window is open. And even if you want to check in another way, so you just click on start button and go to the programs list and check the small basic option from the list. You can see here small basic. So you can click on this, a list of options will be appear here and you can see that Microsoft Small Basic. Even by clicking on this, you are able to open Microsoft Small Basic application. And one more thing, if you want to add this Microsoft Small Basic icon on your taskbar, you just right click on it and go to the more option and select pin to taskbar. You can see on my taskbar, the small basic application icon is added so that directly by clicking on this icon, you are able to open small basic application in your system. So this is the way to download and install Microsoft Small Basic application in your computer. So hope you all of you understand these steps and don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get updated videos to get notifications. Thank you. Have a great day.